Alright, so today I've got a problem with my Volkswagen Golf, and the rear hatch does not open. So even when you use the key fob, it doesn't open, and when you pull on the latch on the outside, it doesn't open. So I'm in the back of the car, I've taken it apart, and I'm going to try and get access to it. So I just yanked on here and popped some clips off, and then I also took out some screws here in each of these grabs. And then there's also a screw to hold on this side plastic piece on either side. And then what I was able to do is there's a clip on the outside of each, and then somewhere in the center there's clips too. I was able to pull them out, and then what I'm able to do is just bend this without breaking it and reach my hand in, and somewhere down here. Alright, so reach my hand down in here and I can find the clip. You just push the hinge to the left, the passenger side, and then when you push it far enough, the hatch opens. So what I noticed here, this is how the lock or the latch mechanism works, and this piece isn't grabbing, so I just pull that down, and then now it grabs perfectly and the latch works. So I think I might lubricate it and then put it all back together.